Lane of Avail Car Share University. My name is Conrad Layn. Do this and do this well. Before you add your car to the Avail Car Share platform, understand that typically, from my experience, this can change, but from my experience, Avail only accepts cars that are at max 10 years old. If it's older than 10 years, your car will not be accepted. So the point of this, me mentioning this, is that when you add a car, I don't care if it's 9 years or 10 years. If they accept it, add it on, make your money. But the goal of this is to build long-term wealth, to really enjoy this. Imagine if you get a car that's current year. That means you have 10 years to earn $450 per month per car, not including on top of the monthly bonuses you get on top of that, plus the quarterly bonus, plus the real credit bonus. You get paid a lot more than $450 per month. Longevity is your best friend with the Avail Car Share platform. But I get it. If your car's older and you just want to get your money, get your money. But if you can do anything in your power, make sure you get a car, I'll say max 8 years old. So at least you have 2 years of enjoying this wonderful program of earning passive wealth while you sleep. With a car, you have 2 years to do that. But if it's 10 years, that means you don't have it too long. If it's 9 years, but make your money if you can. But if you could do anything, try to get a car that you can actually get that's at max 8 years old, so you can at least enjoy 2 years of it. But try to get the younger, the better. And they don't have to be the most expensive cars. You get a cheap car that just works. Add it to Avail Car Share. You're making wealth for quite some time. Like, subscribe, share. Avoid that mistake. Don't add a car that's too old. Try to get the youngest of the newest car possible. Doesn't have to be the newest, but it could be 6 years, 5 years. But if it's 8 years, I'll say max. If it's older than that, still make your money, but understand that you won't really fully be able to compound and build the wealth the way you need to. If it's 9 or 10 years, you won't have too much time to build. They only allow cars that typically at this point 10 years or younger. Like, subscribe, share, Carl Layn out.